Since March 1st, 2022, you can no longer claim the child tax credit through your payslip or through your tax return. You need to file an application, an online application on the INPS website, and they will pay you directly on your bank account. Now, in order to qualify, you need to have at least one family dependent, one child of 18 years or less, or more than 18 years up to 21 if in education, training, or employment earning less than 8,000 euros per year. Or if your child has a disability, you can claim him or her up to any age. And finally, you need to be a resident of Italy, you need to pay taxes to Italy, and you need to have been resident of Italy for at least 2 years, or you must have an employment or self-employment contract lasting for at least 6 months. So the way to file that, the way to request it is only through the INPS website. So you need to log in, go in the search bar and start typing Assegno. So here we go, and you can access the service here. And second option, and here we have the login page. You can log in through your PIN, SPID, electronic ID card, national service card. I have my own SPID, so I click here in the drop-down menu and pick my provider. So here from the dashboard, you can file a new application. So you click here, the top left option. So now you have my personal details up here, and then you have your first child. So are you a parent or a guardian? So I click parent and put my fake child codice fiscale because I don't have any child of my own. You declare that your child is a family dependent. Here you claim if he or she has disability or not. I put no. And then if the child, if both parents actually live together, parents are divorced or separated, or if you have just one family, one parent home. So I click both options, and here I need to put the other parent codice fiscale. And this is to avoid that you get mismatching and double payments, because you have two options. The first option is that one parent gets the check, or it's split 50-50. Now, for the sake of this application, I only opt to get the full amount on me. Now, how much money do you get? You get 50 euros per child up per month, up to 175 if your ISEE is lower than 40,000 euros. Now, if you think that you are below the threshold, you should file for your ISEE and then apply. And it's very important to apply on before June 30th, 2022, because any payment made, any application made up to that date, you will recover the payment from March 1st. Any application after, it's valid, you can get the money from that day onwards. So you cannot recover money that was lost. So basically you waste some time. So you need to apply by June 30th. So here I click the first option and click those two items. Here I can add another child. Now click on Avanti, and here, how do you get paid? Italian IBAN or any transfer from, you can collect it at the post office or the libretto postale, any SEPA bank account or prepaid IBAN card. I click the first option, and here I insert my IBAN. I then click on Avanti, have to tick those two options, basically declaration of responsibility and GDPR rules, click Avanti again, and here is my application that is finalized. Basically contains all the information. And if I click on the green button, I can complete the application, and you will receive the money on the bank account or in the other forms you have intended to. But once again, apply before June 30th to avoid wasting any of your tax credits you can claim.